Hey foodies, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a Jamaican style fried chicken. We have our Dutch pot, we have all the seasonings in the world, we have our marination, we have a crispy Jamaican style video. Stick around, I'll break down the ingredients and I want you guys to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. Alright guys, let's go over the ingredients that we're going to be using. So we have some salt, garlic powder, we have some paprika, black pepper, and we have some layer seasoning. We have about 2 thighs and 2 drumsticks. We have some flour. We're going to be adding some salt and pepper to this. We're also going to be adding some egg and milk to the chicken. We have some seasonings that we're going to be blending. We have garlic, onion, scallion, and ginger. We're going to be blending this and we're going to use it to marinate the chicken. Then we add some milk to it. Then we add the seasonings and then we transfer it to the flour. And then we're going to fry it in the oil, but we're going to be seasoning the oil. Alright guys, so we have this seasoning blended. We're going to use this to marinate the chicken and we're going to marinate it for about half an hour. Don't worry about the exact recipe. I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and make it for yourself. So we're just going to let this marinate for about half an hour. Okay guys, so half an hour has passed, so we're now going to be adding our seasonings. Alright, so this is what our seasoned chicken looks. Alright guys, so this is the secret part of what makes a Jamaican fried chicken so flavorful. We actually put some seasonings in the oil. So we're just gonna let this hot, let all of the flavor sleep out from the garlic, pimento and the scotch bonnet, and then we're gonna be adding the flour to the chicken and then we're gonna be frying it. Alright, so we're now adding the chicken to the flour. So we're gonna let this fry on low heat for about 15 minutes on each side. Alright, so our chicken has been cooked on one side. We're gonna turn it over